Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can create a Neopets account. So Neopets is a virtual pet website where users can own virtual pet and buy virtual items for them using one or two virtual currencies in game. So you get an idea of owning a virtual pet and you find out about Neopets. But you can't figure out how you can sign up for Neopets and create an account for it. You have clicked on the right video. In this video, I'll show you some simple steps to create a Neopets account. You'll do it in no time. Just follow the simple steps I do. So the first thing you want to do in order to create a Neopets account is open a browser and go to neopets.com. Once you go to neopets.com, you'll land on an interface like this. This is the homepage of Neopets. Here you'll see two options on the top right corner, one to log in and one to sign up. So to create a Neopets account, what you want to do is click on the sign up option. Once you click on the sign up option, you land on an e-form like this. This is an e-form to create a new Neopets account. So here what you'll need to do is enter your details, like create a username for self, create a password for a Neopet account, enter your date of birth and an email address that you have access to. So go ahead and do that. So once you enter your details like a username, create a password for your Neopets account, enter your date of birth and enter your email address, scroll down and tick those boxes to agree the terms and conditions of Neopets. Once you go through the terms and conditions of Neopets, once you do that, click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you land on an interface like this. Here you'll be asked to select two security questions and enter those questions and select the country you're from. So go ahead and do that. Once you select the security questions, answer them, select the country you're from and select a gender, scroll down and click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, you will successfully create a Neopets account for yourself. Now they will ask you to select a pet and customize a pet. Go ahead and do that. Enjoy using Neopets with a virtual pet. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.